Hi YouTube kids. This is my other channel, TigerBox tool review.
Cool, Tiger.
Look at this sweet gun.
Wow, Fidget rod band gun, huh?
Yeah, Fidget spin a rod band gun.
Yes, nice. Okay, enjoy our new channel. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Wow, that thing is quick. Wow. Wow, look at
Hi YouTube kids. Welcome to TigerBox tool review channel.
Cool, Tiger. What do you have here?
A Nerf gun.
A Nerf gun? Wow, fire darts and missile. That's awesome, Tiger.
Gun.
Demolisher. Oh, wow. 2 in 1. That's cool gun, Tiger.
Yeah.
N-Strike. Wow. Look at that. Look at missile. And a Nerf bullet. See that missile? That's a big missile. And you bought extra 2, Tiger?
Yeah, extra 3.
You got 3 extra? Wow. That's cool.
Extra 3.
Yeah. Let's see what's in the back.
Tells you what to do.
Can you put it up, please? I can't see it. Oh, that is cool, Tiger. Look at that. You could put the rocket there. The missile, right? The missile?
Yeah, I can put some. Whoa. Okay. You can put something right here.
Oh. Oh, you could add on other stuff, Tiger.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Look. That's cool. Look at the way. That's a pretty big gun, Tiger.
Yeah.
Oh, you sure you want that gun? That's a big gun, Tiger.
Yeah, but what do you do on here?
Huh? That's the trigger.
What does that do?
Oh, and let's see it for this. Yeah, it's the power up. Yeah, motor. I think you need battery, Tiger.
No, you don't.
Yeah, it does.
No, you
It's
don't.
motorized. See, motorized dart blasting and pump fire missile.
I think you don't need battery on it.
You do. I think you do.
Right on the side of this?
Yeah. Wow. You shoot up to 85 to 96 feet, Tiger. Wow. That's far, Tiger.
Yeah, let's open this up.
You want to open it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it up, Tiger. You need a knife?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me hang on. Let me get it. Okay, can we open up the Nerf gun, please?
Yeah.
Oh, look, fidget spinner. Look at the light, cool, huh?
I took out the rocket.
Wow, look at that. That is huge, Tiger.
Look at that beast.
Yeah, look at that.
What did it for?
Wow, let me see. Whoa.
Ow.
It get you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's a big bullet, Tiger.
Oh.
Need help?
Yeah.
Pull it out.
One dot is gone.
Huh?
One dot. Whoops.
There we go. There we go. All right. How many you got there? Let's see. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right.
10 dots.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9? That was 10.
No, we're missing one more.
Oh, yeah?
Alright.
Oh, that's more missile. Look at that missile. Wow, Tiger.
We're missing one more. So, we're missing one more dot.
That kind of wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yeah, we are missing one.
Ah. Oh.
You got it? Need help? You found it? Yeah, you found it. Yeah, there we go.
Fell. How did it fall?
All right, you got it. Yeah. Oh, that is cool, Tiger.
Yeah.
Oh, that is cool. Oh, wow, that's a big gun, Tiger. Look at that. Wow, that's a big gun.
Yeah.
That is a very big gun, Tiger. Look at that. Tiger, huh? That's cool, Tiger.
Hmm?
Look at that. Spin. Oh, wow. You got it? Need help again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it. Okay, Tiger. Look at the Ferrari. Cool, Tiger. You want to open this one up soon?
No.
Not yet?
Joseph comes.
Oh, when Joseph comes first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, open it up, Tiger. Okay, just flip it over.
I
you
have
could-
glue on here.
You can flip it over, Tiger. See that? There you go. There we go. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that gun, Tiger. That is huge. Wow. That looks scary, Tiger. Wow. N-Strike Elite. That's cool. Look at the trigger. You got 2 triggers. Wow. You got it, Tiger? Need help? Hmm? All right. Yeah. It belong back here.
There.
Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, man. That is cool. Oh, wow. Pump action. Wow. Here, put this in first. Let's try it.
There.
Put it in.
See how this goes.
Yeah, let's see. No, you gotta pump it. I think you pump it 3-4 times, then you shoot the bottom. Triggers up there. No?
Huh?
Does it shoot?
No.
Hi, Biggie. Biggie scared.
It's not even shooting.
Huh? It's not working?
No.
What? What's going on, Tiger? Are you doing it right?
Wait a second, it's stuck.
Let me see.
Is it?
Let me try it, Tiger. Let Daddy try it. Okay, hang on. Daddy try it.
I need to take the magazine.
There you go. You gotta do it fast. Like that. You gotta do it fast, Tiger. Can't do it slow. You gotta do it fast, Tiger. And put it in. Try it again. You pump fast, Tiger. Oh, it fell down. Yeah. Okay, pump fast. Go. Harder. Faster. How come it's not? Tiger. Now. What are you doing, Tiger? Now. You don't have enough power, Tiger. You need more power. You need more power.
Shoot it.
Let me see. Let's try it again. Let me see. Okay, ready? Here. Go stand over there. Ready? Stand over there. I'm gonna shoot you. Ready?
No.
Come on. See? You gotta do it fast. Like that, Tiger. Go like that. Go like that. You wanna try it? Go, you try it now.
How do you do it?
Do it fast. You gotta do it fast, okay? Oh, see? Yeah, almost. See? See that? Now, there we go. You got it out right here. There it is. Here's your
How
missile.
does it shoot not? How does it shoot not fast?
Because you gotta do it fast, Tiger. You gotta do it quick. That's the only way it'll come out, Tiger. Fast. Faster. There we go. Oh, there you go. Do it again. I didn't get that one. Do it again, Tiger. That was cool. It shot way over there.
Oh, it has to be closer.
Yeah. Shoot Daddy car. Shoot Daddy car.
It has to be closer out.
Oh, okay. Shoot Daddy car. Wow, that was cool.
It has to be.
Yeah.
It has to be.
Go, Ty, shoot it. Hard. There you go. Oh, where'd it go? In Daddy's boat? It went inside Daddy's boat?
Yeah.
Ah, where'd it go, huh?
I got extra.
Yeah, you got extra one. Put the extra one in. Here it is. I got you. There you go. That's cool, Tiger.
This is what you do when you shoot.
Yeah, let me see.
Okay, you shoot the.
Yeah, go.
Shoot the bullet first, and then you shoot.
Whoa! That almost hit me, Tiger.
And then you put another No big bullet.
Yeah, the missile must hit me. Oh, there you go. Wow, Tiger, I think it was pretty quick, huh? There you go.
Now let's open up the dot.
Yeah, the dots. Yeah, there you go. There's the missile.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, but we didn't open up the extra. We didn't open up the 3 extra ones.
No?
No.
Well, you almost got it.
This is a lot of dots.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Wow, it's 10? They're gonna hold up to 10, Tiger. Look at that. Yeah.
What's this thing stuck on the tape?
The bullet? Oh, it's stuck on the tape? There you go.
Let's see
Oh,
how this goes.
wow, that's a big gun.
Oh, one more left.
One more left. There we go.
Right.
Alright, put it in the gun. Put the magazine in the gun. Wow. That's it. How you reload, Tiger? Oh, you gotta do something up here. Maybe.
Oh, there's a bullet inside of it.
Yeah, how you reload? How you do it?
Okay.
Oh, you got. Yeah, pull. It's not working?
No.
Let me try something. Hang on.
Are you shopping for guns?
Okay, we found some new battery because the old battery did not work. Right, Tiger? Yeah,
Oh. Hey.
huh? Alright.
Alright.
How many batteries is that?
One more left.
One more left? Alright. Here's the cover, Tiger.
There's the cover.
Wrong way.
Oh.
Got it? Okay, here's a screwdriver.
Screwdriver. What side was it? This side?
Yep.
Okay.
Other way. Another way. There we go. Perfect.
Okay, done?
You got it? Okay. Try it now, Tiger. Shoot the wall over there. Still not work? What? Oh, that's new battery. It gotta work. Let me see. Okay, we finally got it working. Okay, Tiger, shoot it. How come not shooting? Two.
No, let it warm up first.
Oh, let it warm up. Okay.
Let it warm up.
Wow! Wow! That thing's quick. Wow! Look at that. Wow! Wow! Look at that. That thing was quick, Tiger. Look at the dots. Look at that. All over the place. You gotta pick it up now, Tiger.
One,
Yeah.
2,
You like that gun? That was a cool gun, huh, Tiger?
4, 5, 6,
Wow, that thing shoot pretty far.
7, 8.
Yeah, look at it, under the boat right there. See it there? Oh, yeah, on by the door? Okay.
Then that's the wrong one.
No, that's the right one too, Tiger. That's the one.
No, that's bend.
Oh, it's bent? That was cool. Okay, let's see you reload it.
I have 10 of dots and that was... No, I have 10 dots. When I get that one, I'm gonna have 11 dots.
Oh, yeah? Okay, let's reload. Let's take the magazine apart.
How you do that?
Take the magazine out. Yeah, push it there. There we go. Yeah. Oh, wow. That is a cool gun. Huh? We should make a movie on this gun, Tiger.
Yeah.
Huh? Go shoot some zombie, maybe. This gun look pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, the damn.
Wow.
We should make more guns that is powerful.
Yeah, this one's powerful. Yeah, Tiger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should make more guns that is powerful.
Yeah. This one is powerful, huh?
Yep. That one's powerful. This one's powerful. And which other gun was powerful? Oh yeah, the minigun.
Yeah, minigun. Okay, let's shoot one more time. Then we should be done.
Yeah, who ready?
Yeah.
Want to battle with me? I have this.
No, I don't want to battle with you. Okay, right here you go. Shoot.
No, I want someone to battle me.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's shoot
Look at
the
me.
wall, huh? Let's shoot the wall again. Ready, go.
Look it. Look at, I'm a guy that is holding the gun like this.
Oh wow, that's a big gun, Tiger.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's shoot it.
It sounds like a helicopter.
Yeah, you warming it up right now?
Wait, where does the sound coming from?
It's the motor inside, Tiger.
How can I can't see it?
Because it's inside the gun.
No.
Okay, go ahead. Shoot the door. Wow, look at that. Wow, that thing is quick. Wow. Wow, look how fast that thing goes. Look at that. That's really quick. Wow. Look at that.
That's the more bullets.
There's no more bullet. All right. What you say, Tiger?
We ran out of bullets. You check the
You
gun
pump.
and boom.
Wow, you're